How to disable calls on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable calls on Messenger. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just select the chat where you want to disable the calls to. And now here, once you're inside that particular chat, just tap on the person's name at the top. And now here, once you see the interface like this, you can simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as notification and sound. And now here in this section, you simply have to toggle off the calls option, the reaction option, and the message option as well. And now here, once you do that, it will disable the calls on Messenger. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.